Hello friends, now we are learning the EnsureCapacity method. So what does this method do? Normally, when you add elements to an array list, Java automatically increases its internal size as needed. So each time you add a new item, Java resizes the memory for the list. Instead of letting it resize each time, we can use EnsureCapacity to predefine how many items we plan to store. For example, 5 items. I come here, and then I say numbers and EnsureCapacity. I give minimum capacity, so I just give 5 here. After that, I can add elements. So I add element numbers.add. I can add 1 as an element. So you will ask me, what if we add our 6th element? Java will resize again automatically. So EnsureCapacity only helps up to the number we specified. I mean, we just separate for 5 elements in the memory. But if we add one more, program resize it for new elements. I hope you understand it. We just predefine its capacity. As you see, it's writing here mean capacity. So it takes as an argument mean capacity here. Alright.